What's up, my producer friends? Another monster here, another monsterproductions.com. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how to make a Reese bass patch from scratch. Sounds like this. And we're going to be using Serum, but you can pretty much apply these principles to most soft synths and achieve the same sort of sound. So for this particular patch, I'm going to start with oscillator A with a sawtooth wave. Looks like this, sounds like this. And we're just going to go ahead and bring the octave down. Let's just bring it down one octave for now. And then we'll bring the unison up, which is essentially creating a sawtooth or a super saw. Bring it up to 15. And the detune is essentially what sort of is making that Reese bass sound, which is sort of the LFO or the phase going in and out, which gives it sort of that modulated sound. So we can tweak this a little bit more, but the first sort of step would be to just apply a low pass filter here. And then we can sort of tweak the cutoff to adjust it how we want the sound to be. So right there sounds pretty good to me. And then we could even potentially add an LFO onto the cutoff and just bring this sort of way down. Just to sort of give it a little bit more modulation going on there. And then we could also apply this LFO to, actually let's apply a different LFO and we'll apply it to the detune here. And then we can change the rate. Okay, and I mean, you know, all of these settings are just sort of arbitrary. I mean, you could really kind of tweak this on your own and make a unique sound. And you could potentially experiment with other waveforms as well. Let's go ahead and add oscillator B on. We'll bring the detune or the unison up. And let's just go ahead and add the filter on it as well. So I'm kind of curious to see what this sounds like if I bring this down another octave. Let's bring it down. So I kind of like that. Now another sort of key ingredient of a Reese bass that you will hear a lot of times is sort of a portamento. And how you do that in Serum is just click mono, click legato, and then bring the portamento up. Bring it up about halfway. All right, cool. So that's a pretty nice sounding Reese bass. Thanks so much for watching the video, guys. If you liked it, please go ahead, hit that like button. If you're new to the channel, subscribe. Don't forget to hit the bell notification. And also check down below in the description of this video because I do have some free stuff that I'm giving away, as well as a link to my Discord server where you can share your music for feedback. And there's a bunch of other channels in there where you can sort of talk about various other things with other producers. So definitely check that out. Also, do me a favor, and if you don't mind, if you like this video and if you know somebody who you think will benefit from this video, go ahead and hit the share button right now while you're thinking about it and send them to the link to this video so they can check that out as well. And I will see you guys in the next video.